There's no beer in there.
I can see it. It's right there.
Hey, hold it. Don't be searching my car.
This 73-year-old man gets pulled over for an improper right-hand turn, and things escalate quickly when he starts hearing voices in his head.
Can you please tell me why you stopping me?
Yeah, I'm about to.
Huh?
I'm about to.
What?
I'm about to tell you.
Stop sign?
No, I said I'm.
What stop sign, man?
I said I'm about to tell you.
Huh? You say stop sign?
No one said stop sign but you.
Why you stopping me?
You made an improper right-hand turn. When you're trying to do a new road, you got to turn that closest lane, sir.
Let me get my ID out for you, partner.
I appreciate you, man. Can you hand me the beer as well?
Huh?
Can you hand me the beer?
Who?
The beer? Can you hand me the beer?
The alcohol. There's no beer in there.
I can see it. It's right there.
Hey, hold it. Don't be searching my car.
Oh,
We done stopped me talking about I ran a stop sign. What's going on here?
We had an open container in the car.
Wow.
No, I'm just pulling this up.
Let me see that.
Hey, no.
Okay.
What are you doing, bro?
Sir,
What?
why did you stop me in the beginning? What's the proper call?
You made an improper right-hand turn.
What is the proper call?
You had to turn into the closest lane provided.
I want you to say that right here.
I did multiple times.
What?
I got you.
Improper right-hand turn?
Yes, that's why you're being stopped.
Are you for real?
Ma'am.
Like,
And then you also have a beer.
I was at a house and y'all got a warrant to arrest me.
I did?
About an improper turn.
No one
Are
got-
you kidding me?
No one got a warrant to arrest you. You just traffic.
Piss me off, man.
This is what happens when you order Samuel L. Jackson from Temu.
I have had it with these motherfucking snakes on this motherfucking plane.
How much you drink tonight?
Wait a minute. I gave you my bank card too?
No, this is your license. Mr. Robinson, I'm over here. Man. How much you have to drink tonight?
Sir?
How much did you drink tonight?
Who?
How much did you drink tonight?
I don't really drink.
That was the beer you were just trying to grab out of my hand.
I ain't finna lie to you, I don't drink.
What? You don't drunk?
I swear to God, I don't drink. All because of an improper turn, as y'all say. A misdemeanor. Ain't that a just my eyes, right? Not my head.
The exercise that we're gonna do is the walk and turn. Do you understand?
Walk and turn.
Will you be
There's a brace in my leg.
okay? Will you be able to execute the exercise with the brace?
I'll try.
Okay.
Why is y'all making me do this?
If I were a 73-year-old wearing a knee brace, then I would just refuse the field sobriety test. And remember, they're always voluntary and never mandatory in all 50 states.
Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Because you're under the influence and operating a motor vehicle.
Sir, can I take my car home? You arrested me?
Yes, you're under arrest.
Still, man.
For what?
DUI.
DUI?
Yes. Your brace does not affect your ability to count.
Yeah. Hold on, man.
It also does not affect your eyes. It also does not affect the alcohol coming from your breath.
I am not requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content. Do you consent?
I'm not finna consent to no like that.
At the time of this incident, refusing a breathalyzer was just a slap on the wrist with a 1-year license suspension. However, Florida DUI laws changed on October 1st, 2025. Now if you refuse a breathalyzer, not only will you have your license suspended for a year, but you'll also get charged with a second-degree misdemeanor even if it's your first time. Refusing a breathalyzer in Florida is now a crime with possible jail time of up to 60 days and a $500 fine.
Let me hurry and go to the goddamn police station so I can get the hell out of jail.
They gonna do all that.
Hey, officer, roll my windows up. I got to go to jail for some dumb stupid.
Watch your head, man.
Ow. I got to go to jail for some dumb.
In conclusion, this all reminds me of that saying, never commit 2 crimes at the same time. If you're gonna make an improper right-hand turn, don't do it while drinking a natty daddy in front of a cop, because if you do, you're gonna go to jail.
Tastes like shit, but it gets you there.
Make sure you smash that like button and leave a comment below, and I'll see you all in the next video.